So I've been in your shoes. Do you know how often I find a video and say, man, this video's quality is amazing. I need that new camera. I need better lights. I need a better mic. If only I had that, would my videos be better? You see, I instantly tied better to nicer equipment. So today, my goal is to educate you on what you really should focus on when you're making videos to keep people watching and entertained. And I'm gonna share a little secret with you. It's not your equipment. So before we dive into the video, this video is brought to you by Own.tv. Owned is the go-to spot to get premium overlays for your stream. If you want to make your stream look professional, they're the ones that you want to go to. All of their overlay packages include panels, alerts, banners, emotes. There's just an endless amount of things you can get to make your stream look professional. So go ahead and grab a design today using the link in the description below. Not only does it help support the channel, but by using the link, you'll also receive 50% off by entering the code LASCurry at checkout. So if you know me, I'm all about eliminating all the hype and providing you with the fastest path that I believe can get you to your goals based on my experience. So each week I educate you on the right mindset, motivation, and the methods to grow your stream. So when it comes to creating better videos, you want to focus on your video's goal. Is your goal to attract new viewers? Is it to build a deep relationship with your community? Or is it to promote your stream? Let me know in the comments below which ones you focus on the most. So let's go ahead and take this video for example. This video aims to educate and create engagement, which falls under building your community. So my only goal with this kind of video is to answer your questions, improve your way of thinking, and provide my recommendations on the best way to overcome the challenge that you're currently facing. So once you have a goal in mind, you want to go ahead and focus on how can you create your video in a way that tells a story for your viewer. So the best way to achieve this is to think of your video like you would a children's storybook with a beginning, middle, and end, and filled with tons of pictures to follow the text. So the easiest way to be able to tell a story through your videos is by using pictures and video recordings that back up visually what it is you're talking about in your video. For example, if you take a few moments to go back at the video you're watching right now, you'll see and you'll quickly notice that every opportunity that I had to put up an image or video showcasing what it is that I was talking about, I did. By doing this, it helps me tell a story, keeps you focused on the information, and it makes it easier for you to be able to learn and remember. So when you're making your video, you want to think about what you're going to utilize to be able to tell your story. Now you can utilize Google. It's easy, it's free. You can find images and videos there. Just be careful because not all images and videos that are on Google you have the actual rights to be able to use in your video. Now one tool that I use to be able to get my images and videos is Storyblocks. Now it's not free, but it's 100% worth it if video is your focus and you want to create better videos. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for Storyblocks if you want to check them out. So by far, just by merely taking action on the last two tips that I mentioned, you can see a huge improvement in the quality of your videos. But to take it a step further, one essential element, if you're not doing it already, you should be, and that's planning or scripting your video. By doing this, you're making it easier for your viewer to be able to consume your content because you're clear and to the point. You see, I'm a firm believer in KISS, keeping it short and simple. The better I can deliver this content to you, the better you're able to absorb the information to be able to apply it to achieve the goals you want to attain. So you can do this multiple ways. You can go ahead and write a script word for word, which I've done, or you can go ahead and create a bulleted list of the topics you want to discuss. So pick the one that works best for you. For me, the majority of the time, I use a bulleted list, but when I want to deliver a video in the shortest amount of time possible, I take the time to script the video out. So don't focus on equipment just yet. Learn to develop the mindset and skills of what it takes to make videos that keep people entertained and engaged. So remember, knowledge without action is useless. So if you want to create better videos, you have to change what you're currently doing. So go ahead and comment with #action if you're ready to improve your video. And if you missed last week's video, I talked about getting views and how little things you're currently doing are pushing viewers away. So make sure to check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. And always remember, gratitude is the attitude. I love you guys.